Urban farming has become a popular way for people living in cities to grow their own fresh food. With limited space and resources, it might seem challenging to start. However, with the right tools and knowledge, even beginners can turn a small balcony, rooftop, or backyard into a thriving urban farm. In this video, we will tell you about the 10 essential tools and tips to help you start your urban farming journey with confidence. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 10. Start small with pots and containers. When space is limited, pots and containers are your best friends. They are versatile, easy to move, and can fit into small areas like windowsills, balconies, or patios. For beginners, it's important to start small. Pick a few containers and try growing simple plants such as herbs, lettuce, or tomatoes. Over time, as you get more comfortable, you can expand your urban farm by adding more containers or experimenting with different plants. Number 9. Quality soil and compost. Our key healthy soil is the foundation of successful urban farming. Since the soil in urban areas may not always be suitable for growing food, it's essential to invest in high-quality potting soil. Potting soil is specifically designed for container gardening, providing plants with the nutrients they need. Compost is also important, as it enriches the soil with organic matter, helping plants grow stronger. You can make your compost using kitchen scraps like vegetable peels and coffee grounds, or buy it from garden stores. Number 8. Choose the right plants for your space. Not all plants thrive in small urban spaces, so choosing the right plants is crucial. For beginners, it's wise to start with low-maintenance crops that grow well in containers. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley, as well as leafy greens like spinach and lettuce, are great options. These plants don't require much space and can be harvested frequently. If you have more room, you can try growing vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Number 7. Use vertical gardening techniques. When floor space is limited, think vertically. Vertical gardening is an excellent way to maximize space by growing plants upwards instead of outwards. You can use trellises, hanging planters, or even repurpose items like wooden pallets to create a vertical garden. Plants like peas, beans, and cucumbers naturally grow upward and can thrive in a vertical setup. This method not only saves space, but also makes it easier to care for and harvest your plants. Number 6. Watering cans or irrigation systems for proper watering. Consistent watering is essential for a healthy urban farm. One of the most basic tools you'll need is a watering can, especially if you're working with small containers. Make sure your watering can has a long spout to reach all the plants easily. For larger setups, you might want to consider installing a drip irrigation system, which helps distribute water evenly and efficiently. Keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged is the key to healthy plants, so always monitor the soil's moisture level. Number 5. Gardening gloves for protection. Gardening gloves are a simple but essential tool for any urban farmer. They protect your hands from dirt, thorns, and any sharp objects you may encounter while gardening. Look for gloves that are durable yet flexible, so you can handle delicate plants with ease. Gloves also protect from potential chemicals or fertilizers you might be using, keeping your skin safe while you work. Number 4. Trowel and hand fork for digging and planting. A good quality trowel and hand fork are must-have tools for any beginner in urban farming. These small hand tools make it easy to dig, plant, and remove weeds in containers or small garden beds. A trowel is useful for scooping soil, planting seeds, and transferring plants, while the hand fork helps loosen soil and remove unwanted weeds. Investing in durable tools will save you time and effort as your garden grows. Number 3. Use organic fertilizers for healthy growth. Since your plants are growing in a limited space, they may require extra nutrients that aren't always present in the soil. Organic fertilizers, such as fish emulsion, seaweed extract, or compost tea, provide essential nutrients to help your plants grow strong and healthy. It's important to use organic options, as they are safer for both you and the environment. Always follow the recommended dosage on the package, as too much fertilizer can harm your plants. Number 2. Pest control, natural solutions. Urban farms are not immune to pests, and it's essential to keep them in check. For beginners, it's best to start with natural pest control methods. Many common garden pests, such as aphids and caterpillars, can be controlled using natural sprays like neem oil, or by introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs. You can also create barriers using netting or row covers to protect your plants. By avoiding chemical pesticides, you'll ensure that your produce remains safe to eat and your garden stays eco-friendly. Number 1. Plan for the seasons. Urban farming, like any type of gardening, is influenced by the seasons. As a beginner, it's important to plan your planting according to the seasons in your area. For instance, some crops like spinach and lettuce thrive in cooler temperatures, while others like tomatoes and peppers prefer the heat. Research which crops are best suited for each season and try to rotate your plants throughout the year to ensure a continuous harvest. Planning will give you the best chance of success. That's all for now. Like and share the video, and feel free to message us on our Instagram page Green Life Guide Official. Also, subscribe Green Life Guide for more updates. Thank you.